Hi everyone, welcome back to Crochet Rocks. This is just a small happy mail video. I've got a hair in my eye somewhere. As you know, it's soon to be my birthday, and I've got a few bits and pieces, and some people have been asking me what I got for Valentine's. We decided, because to be honest with you, I haven't been out much. Sounds terrible. It sounds like poor me. I'm going to get this hair in a minute. I haven't been out shopping as such. Those of you who would really know me well would know that I'm always shopping, especially in House of Fraser and girly shops. But recently, well, quite a long while, I haven't been anywhere. Only yarn shops, and that hair is got you. Thank goodness for that. Yeah, so all I've been is yarn shops, and so I really have no idea what was out there, and Gary kept asking me what I wanted, and I said, well, if you don't go shopping and you don't see stuff, you don't really know. And I think he was a bit reluctant to just get me lots of yarn, so I got something that's missing. I can't find it. He got me a card, and inside was, I thought it had fallen out of the card, but it just got left behind in the envelope. He gave me one of these, which is a £50 note. So I could have gone out today and gone shopping with this, because Gary has gone shopping, but as tomorrow's my birthday and I didn't know what I wanted for that either, I just wanted to make sure that I didn't just get more money, otherwise I would have to go shopping again. So I'm just keeping it until I see something that I want. I got him a couple of presents that I knew he wanted, but I couldn't give him any ideas, so he just gave me some money. But yeah, so those of you who may not have seen one of these before in the US, this is a £50 note. Yummy. So I also got this, and I've got a feeling I know what this is, because yep, it is. I was given by the lovely Madonna Ballad a money voucher electronically for Amazon, and so I'd wanted to buy a set of Clover and More for a long time, but I had not done it. So because it was an American one, I had to order these from the States, which is why it's took a little while to come. But so that's what I got with the money that Madonna sent me. I put a little bit towards it, and I got this whole set of Clover and More, because I had never had any and wanted to try them. So I've got a couple of just hooks that I've ordered over the years that are in my case, but what I'm going to do is, at the moment I'm reviewing those Susan Bates. I'm using them all the time, and once that's finished, I've got these, and I've got some tulips. I'm going to get a few more of those, and I'm going to do some reviews on those as well. But I always wanted to try these because I have it on really good authority that they do not split the yarn. So yeah, so thank you, Madonna. She is such a wonderful woman. I love Madonna, and she's so funny. So if you haven't checked out her channel, then please do. That's Madonna Ballad. I'll put a little link in the description box. I also got a card. Probably get some more when I'm home, but today the weather is decidedly awful. We've got another storm coming in, and the wind has really picked up. It's raining. The sea, you can't see it, it just looks white. So I just wish I was there. So this is from Manic Mamas from Neva. So I won't read it out in case you get embarrassed by it, but it says, party your grass off on your birthday. So thank you. And I'm not at home, so I don't know if there's any more there at the moment, but when I get any little cards or anything, I will let you know. So thank you, and thank you, Madonna, and thank you, Gary. So if you haven't already, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. and the little notification bell, and you'll be informed when there are new videos. I've got a winners video which I'm going to upload very soon for the Rico design made by me crochet hook, so keep your eyes peeled for that. I also uploaded the rainbow blanket that I'd been making recently, and everybody said they wanted me to do a tutorial, so that's now uploaded. So thanks very much. Keep your eyes open as well for my birthday month giveaways, because they'll carry on right through the month and they're all nice little giveaways. So thanks for watching. Bye for now, everyone.